There were more than 970 new cases confirmed in Wisconsin just since yesterday afternoon, bringing the total number of cases to over 59,000. There were also a dozen more deaths reported today as we near the 1,000 death mark. Over the past 24 hours, more than 14,000 people were tested. About 7% came back positive. That's up 2 points compared to yesterday. And the Department of Health Services in the state has published 2 new graphs on its website today. It's an effort to help the public better understand the pandemic. Our Amanda Quintana is here to show us what they mean and why they were needed. Amanda?
Yes, Eric, DHS leaders say it's been a balancing act to release timely data every day while also making sure it's accurate. There have been recent concerns about data getting backlogged when the test goes from what they call a staging area, then is confirmed by a public health official, and then goes live on the website. So this new graph was created. It shows results in real time. It shows all people with positive and negative results in the staging area. So you could see that light gray section on the right shows it's still preliminary data. So it hasn't been reviewed by public health staff yet. Another important point in this graph shows results by person. So if you're tested multiple times, you show up only once here on the day of the first positive test.
We've created this graphic by automating the process that matches people with their test results. And so it allows us to report these data prior to the manual process of our public health staff confirming the accuracy of each of these data.
What you're seeing now, this is the second new graph released today. It's about total tests administered. What DHS used to show was just lab capacity. Now you can see that there in the light blue still, but this graph also shows all tests conducted. So you can see how close we are to the capacity. This graph also shows the preliminary data as well. And if you want to check these graphs out yourself, they are on the DHS website. You can click on Get the Latest on COVID-19. That's at the top of the page. And then both of them are under the summary tab.
All right, Amanda, thank you.